Hi Little Chef, this is everything I ate at Hell's Kitchen. Inside the restaurant, it looked exactly like the show. You had the blue and the red side, and the dining room was also gorgeous. And this location's fairly new. It's at the Wharf in DC. For the appetizers, we started with tuna tartare, and it was like butter. It just melted in your mouth. Then shrimp cocktail, and I think Gordon only picked shrimps that work out because these guys were meaty. On to the first round of drinks, I got notes from Gordon, and it was like a play on a gin and tonic with lemongrass and peach flavors. Honestly, this mac and cheese might have been the star of the whole meal. Incredible. That's all I have to say about that. For a salad, I got a Caesar salad, which was lemon forward, but I actually really enjoyed it. For the second round of drinks, I went with a smoke on the water. And just look at these details. They put the logo in the ice. I love the smoky paired with the citrus notes. Oh, it was fantastic. Whoa, Abby. Okay, I guess we're going to a third round of drinks. We got another note from Gordon. On to the mains, we got the chicken scallopini and the braised short ribs. This was fall off the bone, super succulent. Just look at my stupid little face. Shocked. For dessert, we got the sticky toffee pudding. The ice cream was a little tangy, so it just paired perfectly with the super sweet toffee pudding. Lastly, a round of martinis for an after-dinner cocktail. Bye, Gordon. That was delicious. Please put me on your show.